Good day everyone, this is Kyle, and today we will try to derive the quadratic formula from the general quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. First, let's subtract c from both sides to get ax squared plus bx equals negative c. Then, let's divide everything by a to get x squared plus b over ax equals negative c over a. Now, we've learned in the past that one way to solve for the root of the quadratic equation is to complete the square. Notice that the coefficient of the linear term is b over a and should be equal to 2 times the product of the square root of the coefficient of the quadratic and constant term. Since the quadratic term is 1, or the coefficient of the quadratic term is 1 rather, then b over a is simply 2 times the square root of the constant term. And thus, the constant term is b over 2a squared. Now, let's add b over 2a squared to both sides and we get x squared plus b over ax plus b over 2a squared equals negative c over a plus b over 2a squared. Then, we can simplify the left side to be the square of x plus b over 2a and the right side to be b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. Now, we take the square root of both sides and we're left with x plus b over 2a equals positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. For the last step, we just subtract b over 2a from both sides and we get that x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And there we have it, the quadratic formula that we are all familiar with. If you enjoyed watching that video, please don't hesitate to like and share this video with your friends. See you next time!